Hello guys, good evening and welcome to ForexKits Academy. I hope you guys are having a good time trading and I hope you're also making profit from the market. Now I've decided to make this video a very short one, but then I want to capture a very important aspect of our trading now. Guys, the other day I was asking question as to how many people want me to teach them how to trade free and of course give them at least two working strategies. Now, let me take you through the response from my students as to how much they are willing to fund to join the free class I'm willing to teach them. Right now, this person says I can try $50, right, at least. Right. Next person says let's look at how much this person says he'll be able to fund. I have $10, right? Can you see that? I have $10. Can see. So and then the next person says $50. Can see right there. The next person says $20. Next person says I can try $50. The next person says probably $100. This one says I can fund with $10. This one says I can hustle out 50K. Now I have thousands of these messages. I can't exhaust it in one video, but this is just to show you, the response from most of our traders. And then this is a more difficult scenario when you have very little funds and then you want to make money from the market. Sorry, but what we are going to do for you is to at least train people who have a minimum of $100, right? How we are going to help you is if you have $50, I'm going to leave a link for you. You will use the link, fund the $50, and you'll be given 100% trading bonus, right? 100% trading bonus. Once you have gotten the trading bonus, reach out to me and then I'll add you to the free class. I'm taking you through the basics to the premium classes, and of course, I'm giving you two working strategies for you to be able to start your trading journey. So, if you have not been able to pay, this is an opportunity for you. I'm not taking so many people, but if you are able to do this within 2 days, if you fund whatever amount you have, at least a minimum of $50, you'll be given $100. For as many people that can show $100 as their deposit, we will add them to our group. And of course, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about Forex. At least I should be able to take 50 persons. So if you are lucky enough to be part of the 50 persons, and then that is our bonus for the year. So guys, let's see in class.